Today I have a Hyundai Tucson and I'm going to show you where refrigerant is added in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So right now I'm standing in front of my Tucson, alright, with the hood open and the kickstand in place to keep the hood from falling down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in towards the engine to locate where refrigerant is added. Now there's a lot of things going on, so you want to pay close attention. So if you look down right here, this is the high pressure for the engine air conditioning unit. But what you'll want to find is the nozzle for low pressure, because the low pressure is actually where the intake is for refrigerant. All right, so the refrigerant is down there. Make sure you check to see which one is H or L for high and low. If you're having trouble, get a certified mechanic to help you out. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.